The first question is, which of these is a North American raptor or bird of prey? The correct answer is B, red-tailed hawk. Question 2. What term means someone who commits digital crimes? The correct answer is C, hacker. Question 3. What did Henry Ford develop in 1913? The correct answer is A, assembly line. Question 4. Your new neighbor is from Cyprus. What would you call him? The correct answer is A, Cypriot. Question 5. Which state is bordered by Colorado, Missouri, Nebraska, and Oklahoma? The correct answer is D, Kansas. Question 6. The state of Maine is located in which region? The correct answer is B, Northeast. Question 7. Which of these is an event that occurred in 1803? The correct answer is A, Louisiana Purchase. Question 8. What Empire State of the South is also called the Peach State? The correct answer is A, Georgia. Question 9. The ancient city of Chania, also known as Kydonia, is on which Greek island? The correct answer is D, Crete. And the last question is, at the end of 1966, which group did Rod Stewart join? The correct answer is C, the Jeff Beck Group. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.